Welcome back to another Tapless Studios video. Today we're doing this Slot 4, episode 3 of the Snap Circuits Pro. There is a Snap Circuits Extreme that adds like 250 more. This one 300, a classic. Cadences here, hang out. Just a little wild. So, yep. Now we're doing the sound activated switch to show how Town can turn on the device. Build the circuit shown on the left by placing all the parts of the black one next to them on the base. We then assemble the parts marked with the two. Finally, lay the speaker on the table and connect it to the circuit unit. Jumper wires is shown. Here's the speakers right there. You put it over here, stand it up. When you choose to close the side switch, music may play for a short time and then stop after the music is stopped. Clap your hands close to the whistle, or tap the bass with your finger. Music should play again for a short time and then stop. Blow on the whistle chip. Music's way. You can connect the speaker using snap wires instead of the jumper wires. And then the speaker might create enough sound vibrations to reactivate the whistle chip. Yep. Please. Turn it on. It's coming out of here. There's the sensor. Yep, that's about it for this video. See you in the next one. Goodbye.